In this video, I will show you how to buy Airbnb gift card. So first of all, go to the Airbnb.com website or access Airbnb on your phone. Then click on your profile section. And after that, click on gift cards in the drop-down menu. And when you click on that, you can see in here, buy now. So let's go ahead and click on this. In here, you can customize your gift card and you can select a template from the existing ones. And after you have selected one, you will also see what it's going to look like. Down below, you can enter the amount of your gift card, and that can be something that is between 25 euros and 2000. So go ahead and enter that. After that, you need to fill in the details. So for example, how would you like to send it? With email or basically anything that you want. You need to fill in the recipient's name, email, and you can add a message to the gift. You also need to enter from who it's from, so fill that in here. And you need to fill in when should we send the gift card. That is basically how you do it. If you have filled everything in, you can click on add to basket in here, and then you can check out and then select your preferred payment method and then finalize this purchase. So that is how you buy an Airbnb gift card. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.